we did the problem. We did this thing because we wanted to make it easier for everyone to like take it to the teachers and do it like that, and it won't fall from your hands because there's like a lock on the top. The problem was that when sometimes people are delivering to teachers, their folder drops. So we came up with an idea to help and make this box to help people deliver stuff to teachers.
We created a box. We made a box so we can deliver stuff to teachers when they need it, like important stuff that we need to deliver, like papers and got. I'm Alex.
I'm Mary.
And I'm Matthew.
The problem we were solving was delivering stuff to teachers. We made a slide in the carrier to solve the problem.
How does it work?
So we put the paper in here, and then it goes down here, and then the teacher comes and grabs it from here.
The problem was Mom losing her keys. So we created a box with a lock, and we decorated the box. And for the lock, we made it because for the keys to be safe. The problem we are solving is being bored in the car. We made a game called Freeze Rolls. We like coloring and making the game pieces. It was hard making the dice. It was fun but hard. And we could do... This is an ear tube. Our inspiration was Alexander Graham Bell's mom, who used an ear tube to hear because she was partly deaf. We used to buy duct tape, manila paper, white paper, markers, and cardboard.
The problem we were solving is helping people who are partially deaf or have hearing disabilities. The ear tube will pick up sounds and make them louder and more able for people who cannot hear well able to hear. And it's not too loud and not too quiet. If it is too loud, the people who are deaf will become too deaf and won't be able to hear, and the ear tube will not work.
The problem is that we didn't have anywhere to put our toys. The solution is a toy holder.
Show me how it works. How does it work?
If this is where you put all the stuffed animals, and here you put like these ones.
Mm-hmm.
This is how you make the shekels. So, and these are the other toys that you could put.
And we decorate it, and this is where some of the rainbow toys are going to go because of our rainbow ideas. And down here is where like any sorts of toys can go. I'm Izzy. I'm Haley.
I'm Sandy. Your dog is sick and you're too busy, so we designed a wrapper to hit this into the dog bowl. So
problem because if your dog is sick and this helps this go into the dog bowl while these pointy things dump that into the with a medicine
Things to give it like more like armor so we can like push this to hit it into there.